Greetings and salutations, YouTube. itsHadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Guess where we're at? Veterans Thrift. Guess who I'm with? Sean! There's his back. We're gonna go inside. Alright, you guys, so check it out. First thing I found here is this Chloe. It's gorgeous. I think it is real snake skin. The only thing is that it's $100, so it's a little pricey, but it's really nice. So I'm just holding on to it, thinking about it. Next thing I have here is this Michael Kors Hamilton, beautiful gray silver hardware. This one's $75 though, so that one I'm also on the fence about. It's a little pricey, but I'm over here looking to see what other bags I can find. This Michael Kors, or this Dooney and Burke. There's this Michael Kors, but it has like a pen mark or something. Let's see. Here's another Michael Kors. This one's the one that's broken. I remember that one. Let's see what else. No. Feels like plastic. Oh, look at the little turtle on it. Here's a Coach. This one's $20. It's a crushed patent. Let's see. Kenneth Cole Reaction. Calvin Klein. Tia Neo. This looks like a Steve Madden. More pleather. This is this B. Mikowski's been here. This will also be a Mikowski. This one is a Stone Mountain. This little deluxe bag. Okay, so far nothing has jumped out at me yet. I have found a couple other bags which I will show you in a second, but there was just a lot of people, so I couldn't really film. But I'm down here on the floor looking at what these bags are. What is this bag with the stars? This looks very 80s, 90s, early 2000s, and today. Oops. Hey, check it out. Prada. This could or could not be authentic. I'm not 100% sure. It feels definitely very vintage. But it has like, the sides are coming out, but that could easily be fixed. Okay, so I found like this Cartier looking bag. But I don't know if it is, because the inside doesn't look the best. It doesn't say Cartier. The outside does feel really nice though, but probably gonna leave that. What is this? Naturalizer. 9 West. Kenneth Cole. Hey, this looks like a Valentino, huh? But it's a Forever 21. Too bad, that would have been super cute. Look at that tiger. Okay, anyway, back to what I was showing you guys. I also found this Furla. This one's authentic. I'm very excited about it. 15. And I still have these other bags. I'm not sure about this Prada, but it's only $3. So I might just get it and just like, figure it out later. Still thinking about the Michael Kors, and what is that on it? I think that's just an indentation. And I'm still thinking about the Chloe. Also, there's like a weird bug thing in there. Check out that chair. Feels furry. Oh, trash can? No battery. Jewelry. Alright, you guys, so I am in the luggage aisle. Just ran through it really quick. This is what I found. It's a brand new Kipling like satchel. It has like some yellowing. That's from glue. That always happens with like the white fabrics for some reason over time. But it's brand new. It still has the original tags, valued at $114. Here's a little monkey. His name is Pedro. Super cute. The print is cute, but the price is not. It's $35. So I don't know. It's a little pricey. What do I do? Should I probably just leave it, huh? That's a little expensive. Oh man, look at that thing. Oh my gosh, look at this little cup. Oh, it's an Anthropologie cup, and it's new. And he's only 45 cents. I think we need him. How cute is he? I'm so excited. Oh, look at this fancy bunny. Target. Okay, let's see if there's any more of these Anthropologie cups, because Mom was looking for some brand new cups. Not that I need any more. And I know I said I wasn't gonna buy any more, but I feel like I haven't bought any in quite some time. And completing my name with the Anthropologie cups has reinvigorated my love for mugs, so sorry but not sorry. Ooh, look at this artichoke thing. That's kind of cute. Okay, well, I don't really spot any more Anthropologie mugs, so that's both bad and good. Let's see what these are. Kind of like this long kind of tray thing. Pier 1 imports for $5. I've been looking at that basket for a while. It's been here. Kind of like it. Oh, look at these. Stop it. These are from Home Goods. $8 originally. How much are you asking here? Why aren't you priced? Maybe it's for the whole set? I'm not sure. Oh, they still have this thing. I feel like a lot of you guys messaged me about this when I saw it last time. The reason I didn't get it is because it's really light. And I feel like I would definitely use this like outside. And if I put something on top of it, it might topple over. It's orange. Okay, if it's 75% off, I might get it, because that'll be pretty cheap. Okay, you guys, it's not 75% off yet, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait, and if it's still here, then it'll be destined to be. Then I promise. Oh my gosh! Stop it! Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Why is this so stinking cute? Have you guys ever seen something so cute before in your life? Oh my god. $7? Gee whiz. Guys, look at these little pine cone salt and pepper shakers. These are super fun. But they're $3 each. And they're not on sale at all. I'm gonna wait. But what is this? I can never tell when anything's silver or... why am I the worst at that? Okay, Hadrian, note to self. Learn the difference between silver, stainless steel, and sterling and all that stuff. You guys, I just found this men's Lululemon jacket. $30 though. I'm gonna come back on Tuesday, maybe it'll be $15 so it goes half off. We'll see. Make a mental note, Hadrian, of where it is. What are these shoes? Alright, you guys, I just spotted another Prada. This one's like a little tote. $7 green. Like the handles are kind of twisting, but I think someone put it in the washing machine. Might have what happened to this guy. $7. Alright, you guys, so I am at the house, and this is like a very rare occurrence.
It was not rare.
So you do these face masks all the time?
I mean, whenever you... What's it called?
Ooh, let me see. John keeps laughing, so
It's your fault.
In between your nose, bro.
Hold on. That doesn't stay. Wait, my nose is too flat.
looks good.
It's the curse.
Okay, you guys, so I am back at the house, and I'm excited to show you guys what I got, but most importantly, I have a ghost toast.
You used my joke. This is the second take. Continue.
Okay, John, so explain to everyone what this is.
It's a vase.
So the first thing I have here is this beautiful vase with 3 gorgeous little parakeets on it. They are so cute. Don't they look like our parakeets when we were little?
Yeah.
Do you remember what their names were?
No.
There was Billy and Lily, but we only had 2. The third one's just like a random one, so it's the neighbor's parakeet.
I know.
But aren't they so cute?
The cockatoos that we had.
Yeah, but these aren't cockatoos.
Yeah, I know.
They're not cockatoos.
But those are the birds that I know.
The names?
Yeah.
We also had Snowy.
Paul, Snowy.
Wait, what?
Paul. You remember the one that always attacked Dad?
The one that liked Dad?
No, he had.
Wasn't that Polly?
He was gray.
Yeah, with the yellow head.
Oh, I called him Paul.
John didn't know the name of our bird. Do you remember? We also had 2 giant macaws. Do you remember their names?
No.
Considering you named them, you don't remember?
Oh, Lilo and Stitch.
Okay, so this is the first thing I got. It's super cool. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or if I should put it in the store. John, what do you think?
Store.
John thinks I have too many vases.
You have too many things.
John's Marie Kondo reincarnated. Alright, up next for... Ooh, let me show them my mug. I got a mug.
You're also putting that on the store.
No, this has a K on it and it has a dog with a hat and a jacket.
It looks like someone made it.
It's from Anthropologie. It was only 45 cents.
Oh, thought it was $45.
No, 45 cents.
Is he going on sale?
John. Alright, up next, Kate's gonna like that. I'm gonna tell him it's his merch. You can tell Kate it's his merch, he gets very excited. Okay, so up next I have this beautiful vintage green Prada bag. It's in like a forest green nylon. It looks like someone threw it in the washing machine. I feel like I'm gonna have to like iron it out or something, but it's still fantastic and I am pretty certain that this one is authentic. So I'm pretty excited about finding this little guy, and it fits right on your shoulder. John, I need your shoulder.
Oh, sorry.
Just like that. Fantastic. Yes. Okay, then I got another Prada bag. This one is really, really cute, and it's just like this little crossbody bag with a top flap. It's in black nylon. This one is really dirty and looks like it needs to go into the washing machine as well, but I know it can be cleaned and it's gonna be fantastic. I feel like maybe the same person donated both. But right here, this little part is like coming out of the hardware, but that's pretty easy to fix. Just push it back in, a little fabric glue, and it's gonna be good to go. And the hardware on this is really nice. Feel this. It's like heavy, right? All right. And then up next, I got this sweater, and I didn't really know what it was. I thought like it was like some Kanye like rip-off kind of thing, Yeezy or whatever. But it's this green army distressed hoodie, and on the back, John, what does it say on the back?
Dirt Bag Crew.
Yes.
From
Skid Row. So I guess this is a collaboration between the brand Huff and something else. I forgot what it was called. But these are currently still on the website, and these actually go for $120.
What does it say?
I don't know, dirtbag. Downhill. It says downhill.
Oh, I was reading it backwards.
I understand the script is a little intense. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's fun. Size extra small. That's probably gonna go in the shop. And then, this is my favorite find of the day other than the parakeets and the mug. And that is this beautiful black furless satchel in black pebbled leather, silver hardware, top handle, and long strap. John's gonna sneeze. Bless you. It was so quiet. Oh, John's bored of us. Alright, so this satchel is fantastic. I was so excited to find it. It is in such great condition as well. And this one was only $14.96. So this was a great deal. Actually, the most expensive thing that I bought today was the hoodie, which came in at $20. The green Prada bag was $7. The black one was, I believe, $3. Yeah, $2.98. The parakeets were $6.98, and then the mug was 45 cents. But that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you guys had fun. John, do you have anything to say?
Count how many times you almost hit me in the face.
Love you guys. Bye. Got our request from Minka. Oh, this Michael Kors. I saw here last time. There's this little Michael Kors too. So this is, okay, this one is an outlet bag. You can tell by this little patch right there. Usually, I think almost every single one that has that is from the outlet. Oh, Claire Vivier clip. Look at those tassels. I love Claire V. I just got a Claire V bag right before we came here at another store. Let's see what this is.